Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Tackle your toughest pruning jobs with ease using tools built for power and precision. The best loppers for cutting thick branches combine sharp blades, strong leverage, and comfortable grips to slice through dense wood, making garden maintenance faster, cleaner, and more efficient. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Fiskars 32-inch Lopper. The Fiskars 32-inch Lopper is a powerful and dependable tool designed to make trimming thick branches smooth and effortless. Equipped with a strong steel bypass blade, it easily slices through branches up to 2 inches thick, ensuring clean, precise cuts every time. Thanks to its Power Gear 2 technology, the Lopper multiplies leverage to deliver up to 3 times more cutting power compared to standard designs, making it ideal for tackling even the toughest parts of branches. The blade's low friction coating minimizes gumming and rust, maintaining sharpness and durability over time. Built for both performance and longevity, this Fiskars Lopper embodies quality craftsmanship that gardeners can rely on. Whether maintaining trees or shaping shrubs, it's a perfect choice for anyone seeking professional-level results with minimal effort. Number 2. TABOR GG12A Lopper. The TABOR GG12A Lopper is a heavy-duty tool built for strength, precision, and ease of use. Designed for professional-grade applications, it effortlessly cuts through branches up to 5 centimeters thick, making it an ideal companion for pruning dry, woody growth. Its hardened carbon steel blade is not only sharp, but also long-lasting, featuring a non-stick coating for smooth, friction-free cutting. Even after frequent use, the blade remains sharp and reliable. The 76-centimeter handles provide extra leverage, allowing gardeners to reach higher limbs with less strain. This Lopper combines balance, durability, and precision, turning demanding garden work into a simple task. Backed by TABOR's strong customer satisfaction guarantee, it's a tool that offers both performance and peace of mind for dedicated gardeners. Number 3. Thanos B102 Lopper. The Thanos B102 Lopper delivers outstanding cutting performance and durability, making it an essential addition to any gardener's toolkit. Built with a high-quality SK5 steel blade, it's designed to stay sharp even after frequent heavy-duty use. The blade features a Japanese Teflon coating that enhances its smooth, non-stick cutting ability, while also preventing rust and reducing friction during operation. This Lopper can effortlessly handle branches up to 2 inches thick, making it ideal for pruning dense shrubs and tree limbs with precision and ease. Its robust construction ensures consistent performance, while the ergonomic handle design provides comfort and control during extended gardening sessions. With every use, the Thanos B102 proves its reliability and efficiency, delivering clean, accurate cuts that promote healthy plant growth. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a home gardener, this Lopper offers the strength and quality needed for all your pruning and trimming tasks. Number 4. Corona 30-inch Lopper. The Corona 30-inch Lopper is designed to combine comfort, control, and cutting efficiency in one dependable tool. It features comfort gel grips that contour perfectly to your hands, reducing fatigue while providing excellent leverage for smoother cuts. The integrated shot guard bumpers absorb impact, preventing strain on wrists and arms during repetitive use. Its non-stick coated blades maintain sharpness and resist sap buildup, ensuring long-term cutting performance. With a dual arc blade design, the Lopper delivers exceptional precision and strength, easily handling branches up to 1.5 inches thick. The trapezoidal steel handles add durability and provide extra strength for heavy-duty garden work. Whether you're shaping ornamental trees or pruning overgrown shrubs, the Corona 30-inch Lopper gives you the control and comfort you need to work efficiently. It's a well-balanced tool built for both everyday gardeners and professionals who demand reliability and consistent performance in their yard work. Number 5. Corona 36-inch Lopper. The Corona 36-inch Lopper is a professional-grade cutting tool built for power, reach, and precision. Featuring lightweight yet strong aluminum handles, it offers an impressive balance between durability and maneuverability. Its dual-arc bypass blade, forged from heat-treated steel, ensures long-lasting sharpness and clean, effortless cuts. The resharpenable and replaceable blade design adds convenience and value, extending the tool's lifespan significantly. A deep sap groove and self-cleaning hook prevent sticking, allowing smooth, continuous cutting even during heavy pruning tasks. Engineered for maximum performance, its forged construction compacts the steel for superior strength and cutting power while reducing the force required. Ideal for tackling thick branches and high limbs, the Corona 36-inch Lopper is the ultimate choice for gardeners seeking professional results and long-term durability in one exceptional tool. Upgrade your gardening experience with a tool that delivers power, control, and lasting performance. The best loppers for cutting thick branches ensure every cut is smooth and effortless, helping you maintain healthy trees and shrubs with minimal effort. Achieve professional quality pruning results right in your own backyard with confidence.